Right, this is what you need to get the door handle out of a BMW X3 e83. So you need an angle grinder, you need a pipe like that, from a car or something. It's like hard and it's got a hole. It's about 5 millimeters the diameter. Right, I've already cut 4 pieces out of this, and each one goes to get the flipping door handles out. Yeah. Right, you undo that one to get this part out. You undo that one, and then to get your handle out, you need this. You have to pull the handle out, have a look through the hole with the light, so you can see, there's a Torx 20 in there. You need a really long Torx, and then you need to align, like when you've got this pulled out, you need to align this to go in the hole so it will hold it on place. And then you get your long Torx too, like you need a really long one, like long, you need a long one, very long one. So you stick it in there, you find the flipping Torx, you unscrew it, and then that pulls out and down from there, and your handle's out. Easy peasy, hey. Or else you need to go and buy the special tool from BMW to do this flipping door handle from hell. That's it. Good morning.